Welcome back, friends. One of the biggest ongoing campaign in the Top Note Million Cup, a World Cup themed event where participants earn points through different activities. Through points may determine their share, a prize pool up to according to the campaign rules. The video is for educational purpose only, and it's not for financial advice. Always read the official campaign rules before participating. Let's take a look at the top note first, and the top I'll show how Million Cup works and what is the top node. Top node is more than just a wallet, crypto wallet. Besides managing digital assets, it's a regularly launch community campaigns and ecosystem activities that encourage users interact with the web3 in different ways. The Million Cup is currently its flash World Cup campaign, combining football communities engagements and rewards incentives into one experience. Instead of simply asking users to download an app, and the campaign encourage this continues and participate through the tournament. Why is this campaign caught my attention? Many online campaigns are ask users to install the app or complete simple tasks. The top node Million Cup is different because it uses excitement of the World Cup and the parts of the experience. Participant can make a World Cup prediction, complete daily incentives activities, invite friends, and also the join community events, collect points throughout the campaign. Instead of trying finish the everything is not of the global part of the is built for points consistently. My farming strategy is that I were starting today in the world would be my plan step by step. Want to open the Million Cups page? You can see this is the million top node Million Cup page, and how it works. Open the Million Cup page daily. Free points are one of the earliest way to keep increasing your total without missing opportunity. And this if you talk about this step 2, complete every available task daily. Small points rewards can be added. You can see these are the prediction points. You can predict here. After that, that light spin to win about the and Argentina win, who will win. You can predict here and got your points here. After that, you can click on the task to earn. You have some task here. Participate in World Cup prediction event and also predict, make users campaign point instead of cash, and including things like match winners, exact scores, championship winners, golden boots, special tournament events. The campaign focus on the participate using instead of the overall things, and the referral rewards also can help increase. You can see these are the share reward. You can, if you click on the share option, you go to the your X and share your thoughts with X, and you can got their points of 10 points. And if you invite your friend, click on the go option, you can see the your invite link here and go through the your X, or copy their link and go through your friends and family and share it with your friends and family. The more points you accumulate, the large your potential share of the financial prize pool may become according to the campaign's official reward formula and terms. That's why many participants focus on consistently instead of the rushing near the end with these things. So next is the AI versus human. You can see the AI is working nowadays in every person's life, and you can check it out here. So AI, how to participate in AI, you can check it out. Everything is here, and these are the leaderboards, and you can check it out. If we talk about the AI, one of the important thing is remember that there are rewards are like. So if we talk about the AI versus human here, another feature I found interesting: AI versus human. You can easily challenge top node regularly publish AI generated match and predictions. Participants can compare their own football knowledge with the AI analysis and see which platform perform better throughout the tournament. It adds another layer of the interaction of football fans and follow the World Cup. So if we talk about the final about the project as a final World Cup event, you can see it here. These are the tasks here. As the World Cup reaches its final stage, Top Node has introduced several limited time community events, daily spin and win eligible participants, and who can invite your complete qualifying campaigns activities and receive spin niches. So buy, you can easily buy a WVERPC and a phrase and everything is here, and you can easily go through your friends and family and check it out there. Also you can go through the leaderboard reward, receive, how you can see receive spin niches for the additional reward, winner tasks, all sport teams and believe will be win. So these are the spin and win, you can check it out here. These are the spin to win rewards, and you can easily check it out. Receive spin niches for additional rewards, winner tasks, and also support the team you believe you will win. So you can see these are the teams are playing matches, and you can easily go through there and get your biggest participation in the here. So click on the go option, you can check it out the everything here like that, spin and win, and also you can check it out. These are matches are going to on, these are the matches of the Spain win or Argentina win, you can easily suggest to Spain to win. Also support the team you believe will win World Cup final and complete the required campaign tasks. So like that, you can easily join the team community, invite friends and participate in the final sports campaign. The event also features on the additional some rewards and community rewards pool subject to the official campaign rules. And should you join if you are already following the World Cup and enjoy participation in the community campaign, this may the worth of the exploring by approaches would be simple: collect free points, complete available tasks, join prediction activities, invite friends and who are the genuinely instead of the participation. So this is their official top node X, and you can see their campaigns are here, and this is their official song, you can easily check it out on their Twitter X, and this is very incredible. So guys, the campaign is entering a final stage, so this could be one of the last opportunities to take part before concludes. If you would like to learn more, check the official links in the description. If the video helped you understand the campaign, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll give you all the benefit. Thank you very much, see you in the next video, see you very soon.